Hello, today I will be explaining prokaryotic genetic regulation, specifically negative inducible regulation, where negative describes how the regulatory protein binds to the DNA to prevent transcription, and inducible describes how transcription is normally turned off and is turned on when a small molecule binds to the regulatory protein. Here we have a small portion of an operon where we see a strand of DNA that has a promoter region, an operator region, and structural genes that can be transcribed into mRNA and eventually protein. During transcription, the RNA polymerase attaches to the promoter site and continues along the DNA strand to then transcribe the gene or genes. In negative inducible regulation of prokaryotic genes, an active repressor, which was transcribed and translated from a repressor gene, works to stop the transcription of the DNA strand. It binds to the operator region so that the RNA polymerase is blocked and unable to bind and transcribe the DNA strand. Here we see a small molecule now in the picture. The small molecule binds to the active repressor, causing a conformational change to the repressor protein. This causes the active repressor to change into a shape that is no longer able to bind to the DNA strand, which allows the RNA polymerase to bind and transcribe the DNA. There's a transcriptional regulation analogy. This is the operon site. Here we can see the student is able to study and complete school assignments. When the cat comes around, the student is no longer able to do their schoolwork. When the cat sees the mouse, it is distracted and not able to stop the student from doing schoolwork. The student is now back to continuing schoolwork.